Hello, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher and I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw Miles Morales, the latest Spider-Man superhero. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It does help me make more of these. Now here's a way to draw Miles that is easy enough for students of all ages to enjoy. Miles Morales is a kid with superpowers, and when you draw him with his trademark red hood, superhero mask, and spider leotard, his fans will know exactly who he is. Let's get started. First, the materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and colored markers. You can also download this free Miles Morales PDF tutorial from my website. Look in the description for a link. Now, before you begin your drawing, it really does help to first make guidelines on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it back up. You'll have lines that match my directions, and they really do help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. It's important that the head starts out as a good-sized oval that needs to be about this big. Draw the right side first, and then draw a matching left side. Step number 2. Now add a small neck below the head. To draw the hood, start on the forehead with a curve that comes down like this, and then draw the same shape on the left side. Now you just need these lines on the outside that come down from the head to finish the shape of the hood. Step number 3. To get the jacket started, draw the sides that come down, add a shoulder at the top, and when you're done, you can add a string that is attached to the hood. Now do the same on the left. The sides of the jacket come down, the shoulder is added at the top, and the string is attached to the hood. Then draw what you see of the almond-shaped eyes that are peeking out of the hood, and draw another outline around them so they can have their own color in a little bit. Step number 4. Draw the right sleeve with a cuff. Notice that it's longer than the jacket. Many students tend to draw arms that are a little on the short side. Next, add the sleeve on the left side, making it the same length and width. Step number 5. Now just add some simple hands that can finish off the arms, kind of like this. Next come the shorts, which begin with a belt at the waist. Step number 6. Draw the right leg of the shorts. It should be about as long as the arm is. Then draw a matching left leg of the shorts. Draw a simple right leg below the shorts, and add a left leg too. Finish the right leg off with a simple shoe. This one also has a couple of detail lines inside. And then draw a matching left shoe with the same details inside. This makes for some good symmetrical drawing practice. Step number 7. Okay, it's time for that important spider drawing on the chest. There isn't a lot of room, so keep it simple with a circle body and then legs. Try to make 4 matching pairs, just like what real spiders have. Step number 8. This spider needs to have a ring around it, so draw one and then add an outline so it can get its own color later on. Step number 9. Okay, it's time for some careful tracing. Work slowly with a sharp black marker and go over all those pencil lines. And that wraps up my tracing. I always like how it makes all the details really stand out. Now is a really good time to run an eraser over your drawing to get rid of any little pencil lines that still show. Now I'm going to start my coloring with all the red things. That begins with the hood on top, and that includes the spider and the ring and the hands and parts of the shoes. Oh, and also those rings around the eyes. Next, I'm going to carefully color in the black leotard. And don't forget that includes the legs too. I'm choosing a kind of dull color for the jacket because I really want the red hood to stand out. So I think this denim looking blue will work great for that. And then another kind of drab color for the shorts. I don't want them to stand out very much either. And lastly, I think a gray will be just fine for that belt. And there you have it, my finished Miles Morales drawing. I like it when poses are symmetrical like this one, meaning that things like his eyes, jacket, hands, shoes, and more are all just mirrored versions of each other. It makes bodies so much easier to draw, superhero or not. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this Miles Morales drawing tutorial video. I do have even more tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw Batman and how to draw Iron Man. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.